In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Pinterest. So whether you're using a business name or you're using a personal name, you can easily edit and change your name on the platform. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, we want to change name on Pinterest, is to open the Pinterest application on your device, just like this. Then while on the home screen, like this, you can click on your profile at the top right or the other side, and then you should see all your pinned posts or your published posts. Then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. This will take you to your page where you'll be able to change your Pinterest name. Now to do this, all you need to do is click on the three dots at the top right. Then you should see the profile page pops. On the profile page, click on settings. Now once you select the settings, come down here and click on edit profile. Now on the edit profile page, you will be able to change your name, email address, and even your username on Pinterest. You see that? Now go ahead and change your name. So just delete this and type in your new Pinterest name like this. You can also change your email address and you can also edit your Pinterest username. Once you're satisfied with the information, go ahead and click on the done button. Then hang on, you see your profile has been updated. Then if you go back to your page, refresh it, then you should see your new Pinterest username changed to what to change to. So this is how you can easily change your Pinterest name. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.